Alright, you found a recipe that you really want to try. But before you hit the grocery store, check the yield of that recipe. How many servings does it make? Because maybe you're hosting a feast and need a whole lot more than that recipe calls for. Or maybe you don't need nearly as much as that recipe makes. Let's learn how to convert a recipe's yield so you can make exactly as much food as you need. The easiest way to convert a recipe's yield is to find the conversion factor. To do this, take however many servings you need and divide it by how many servings the recipe calls for. So let's say a recipe calls for 4 servings, but you want to make 10. We'll take 10 divided by 4, and that gives us a conversion factor of 2.5. Then, all you have to do is multiply each ingredient by the conversion factor. Now, that can give us some wacky decimals. If that's the case, you can convert that decimal into a fraction. Or you could round up or down to the next easiest measurement. Or you could just eyeball it, depending on the recipe. But what about cutting a recipe down from the original serving size? Well, it's the exact same equation. Let's say you want to turn 4 servings into 2. Take what you need, divide it by what the recipe calls for, to find our conversion factor of 0.5. Then multiply. Simple as that. And there you have it. Now you can make exactly as much of any recipe as you need. Thanks for watching.